Hi team, it's Mandy Cohen here at the Emergency Operations Center. We've had another incredibly busy week. As you know, we continue to work to stay ahead of the curve, focusing on testing and tracing and trends. But just as important is the work we're doing to support those in our state who are struggling, whether it's families who aren't getting enough to eat, or the many North Carolinians who are struggling with behavioral health challenges brought on by the pandemic. This week, we got some great news on resources that can help us on both of those fronts. We learned that North Carolina is only one of 4 states approved for the new Pandemic Electronic Benefit Transfer Program, PEBT, which will provide extra help buying groceries for the families of more than 800,000 children who normally receive free and reduced lunch at school. With our schools closed, families across the state have been worried about where their next meal would come from. We knew we needed to act quickly to provide help, and I want to thank our team that worked so hard on this application and getting it across the finish line. We also heard that we've been awarded a $2 million grant from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration to support the state's behavioral health response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The grant will support DHHS' effort to address the growing needs of people with mental health issues and substance use disorder as it relates to COVID-19 crisis, along with mental health needs of the general public and for healthcare workers who are on the front lines of this pandemic. The disruption in our lives from COVID-19 has created a tremendous amount of fear and anxiety, I know. People have lost jobs, their daily routines have been disrupted, and they've lost their sense of stability. This funding is going to be so important, an important investment towards the behavioral health and wellness of every North Carolinian at such an important time. This week, I also want to give a shout out to all our administrative professionals. We celebrated Administrative Professionals Day yesterday, and I want to acknowledge the hard work of all of our admins across DHHS. And let's be honest, they're the ones that are really keeping our department running. I want to give a particular shout out to Amanda Parks, who works closely with me. I thank her for all the work, and I know she is a role model for all who are working across the department. Thank you for what you do each day. I'm so proud of the ways that our teams have rallied to tackle COVID-19 head on. Your work has truly helped us flatten the curve and save lives. I'm so proud. At the same time, I know you've made sacrifices in your own families. I know that communities are struggling to get the support they need, and we have so much more work to do. So as we look ahead to hopefully reopening our state soon, your work is going to be even more important, and we need to remain vigilant to limit the spread of the virus while we're protecting the most vulnerable in our state. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. I hope you're able to get some rest this weekend, and thank you for everything that you're doing.